Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear search history on Skyscanner. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skyscanner account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Skyscanner? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type skyscanner.net, and that's going to take you to the official website for Skyscanner. Once you get into the official website, check the top right corner of your screen and click on the sign up button to create your account. Once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Skyscanner. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to clear search history on Skyscanner. I'd like you to know that you cannot clear search history directly in the web application. You can do that using the mobile application. So ensure that Skyscanner has been downloaded on your mobile device. And once you do that, I'm just going to show you what you can do, the steps you can take to clear your search history. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Skyscanner app on your device. Okay. And once you open it, it's going to take you to a home page that looks like this. All right. So from this home page, check the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find the profile icon, so select the profile icon. Next, you need to open your details and select account management. So once you click on your profile icon, it's going to take you to this window. And from this window, you're going to find manage your account. You're going to find the window like this. So go ahead and click on your details. All right. So once you click on your details, it's going to take you to this other window. That's your details window, and right under it you're going to find these options: login info, traveler info, payments, and account management. So select account management. Once you select account management, the next thing you do is to pick or to select clear app search history and then confirm your decision by clicking yes, delete. So after selecting, remember here, after selecting account management, is going to take you to the account management window, which looks like this. And the first thing you're going to find is clear app search history. So select clear app search history, and it's going to open up a window like this with this banner for confirmation. So it's clear recent searches, origins, and destinations from all your devices where you're logged in, which is Skyscanner account. So go ahead and click on yes, delete. And once you click on yes, delete, that's going to be it. It's going to be deleted. So that's pretty much the process. So once you're done, you have cleared your cache, or you've cleared your cache on Skyscanner. So click on yes, delete, and you've been able to complete the process. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.